Are you sure that shiny new token in your Tonkeeper wallet is the real deal and not a sneaky scam? This quick guide will show you exactly how to verify tokens inside Tonkeeper, keeping your Ton blockchain portfolio safe. Sound first. Open your Tonkeeper app. You'll see a list of your tokens right on the main screen. Notice the little green checkmark next to some tokens. This means Tonkeeper has verified the token, indicating it's likely a legitimate asset. Tap on one of these verified tokens to see more details. Here, you'll find important information, including the token's logo, name, your current balance, and most importantly, the contract address. This address is like the token's unique fingerprint on the Ton blockchain. Now, head over to Ton Explorer, the official block explorer for the Ton blockchain. You can find it by searching Ton Explorer on Google. Copy the contract address from Tonkeeper and paste it into the search bar on Ton Explorer. The search results should display the token's details. Double-check that the information on Ton Explorer matches what you see in Tonkeeper, specifically the token's name and symbol. What about unverified tokens? If a token doesn't have that green checkmark, proceed with caution. Interacting with unverified tokens carries risk. Always do your own research before buying, selling, or interacting with unverified tokens. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently verify tokens in your Tonkeeper wallet and protect yourself from potential scams and keep your Ton portfolio safe. Stay safe and happy trading.